Are you looking for more leads and sales into your business? Or perhaps you know what you should be doing, it's just you can't duct tape everything together. You went into business because of the love of what you do, not necessarily for the love of marketing, and I get you. Hi, my name's Phil Carrick, and since 2008 I've been a direct response marketer, working in my own agency and working for a lot of the top UK companies and also worldwide companies as well. I've worked in the Google Digital Garage in Belfast. I consult as a digital growth consultant for a higher education college. I'm a member and a mentor for the Chartered Institute of Marketing, and also I teach social media for the Open College Network. Now, if the reason why I'm telling you that is because you need to work with somebody who you can get along with, who you can trust, and more importantly, that has the results that you're looking for. I can help you take your business forward. I can help you increase your leads, increase your business. I can help you get your brand out there through digital marketing. Now, what I'd like to do is I'd like to offer you a free 20-minute consultation. There's absolutely nothing to sell. I'm not into any of that nonsense. Okay, I will find out what you need, what your goals are, and whether or not I'll be able to help you. And at least you'll have a roadmap going forward on potentially what you should be doing. Okay, but that's really what I'd like to offer you today. Now, my specialities: email marketing, Facebook marketing, YouTube marketing, lead generation, putting together websites, improving websites, search engine optimization, and plenty more. So anyway, look, I'd love to invite you to a free 20-minute consultation. Again, completely no sales pitch at all, no ulterior motives. Just hop on a Zoom call with me, and bang, we'll get some strategies put in place for you. Okay, so all you need to do is just click on the link or the button on this page, and I'll talk to you very soon. Cheers.